Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a transaction file to OFX format and import into Xero. We will use Bank2OFX converter, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start Bank2OFX and select a transaction file. You can select a PDF file, QBO file, QIF file, OFX file, or QFX file. For this example, we will use a PDF file. Once the PDF file is loaded, make sure that dates are correct, year is correct, deposits and withdrawals are in correct columns, check numbers are present for checks. And before converting to OFX file, make sure to set OFX parameter before converting. The first parameter is account ID. So if you convert in several PDF files or several transaction files for the same account, make sure to use the same account ID for all these conversions. When you switch to another account, make sure to use different account ID to convert to OFX file, as your accounting software often links the account ID on the OFX file to the account you choose during import. The account type is second parameter and has to be set for OFX file. There are checking account, savings account, credit card account. So make sure to set the account type correctly before converting. The currency is another parameter that has to be set, and many accounting software expects you to have matching currency on an OFX file to what you have in your accounting software. You may also set ending balance, bank ID, and branch ID. There are also several OFX flavors or versions that different accounting software expects it differently. So you may, if you don't see your accounting software listed, you can just use regular OFX file. Otherwise, like for Xero, we can select this, as there are special little differences that allow to use supported features of OFX format for that specific software. To create an OFX file from loaded file, click the Convert button. Confirm the file name and the file location. Now we're ready to switch to Xero, and let's log into Xero and select an account we want to import data in. We will use test2 account in this example and look for link called import a statement, import bank statement, upload the file, upload statement, and your accounting software may have a little different link, but for Xero it's called import a statement. Browse for the OFX file we just created and click the import button. Now we have transactions imported, and you can review them, assign expense or income accounts, link to vendor records, whatever your accounting software expects you to do when you import an OFX file or a transaction file. Thank you for watching.